There is a fourth. So here they're asking to create the vector named is April. So okay, April, creating the name that contains, it is usage of fourth row. So what should I write here? Any answer? Dear participants, if you know the answer, yeah, please put on the chat box. Here they're asking to create the vector as the name of that April. So I'm using the creating of the vector in the name of the April. So next to the contains data is in the fourth row of usage. So I'm using a use. So here fourth row. Then how do I define this is the fourth row? No idea. Chalo, we'll see that solution. The usage of, again, it is in the reverse of 4 comma. So here asking the trying to create the matrix even here. It contains all the rows in columns 1, 3 and 5th of usage. So they're asking to create the matrices of even year. So here I'm taking even by year, even years. They're using again the data usage. As 1, 4, 3, and 5 of usage. So here first I'm using the colon here, comma. Then I'm using the square bracket, 1, 3, 5. 3, 5. So here they are asking to trying to create the matrix of the summer. It contains rows 6 through 8 of usage. So what is that? Here anyway summer command I'm using. So here is a usage. Why? Because I have the data in usage only. That is they're asking 6, 8. 6 is equal to 8, comma, semicolon. I can use here. So here they're asking to create the matrix is the even summer. So previously we are using the even and even year and maybe summer. So now we are creating that even summer. Even summer, and this contents of the elements is a row 6 through 8 from the columns 1, 3 and 5. The usage. So I'm taking the usage. So they're asking to 6, 8, 135. 135. There is a columns of the usage. So now they're asking to in sixth, they have to asking to create the matrices mid-year of like mid 1993 contains the elements from the second row through the second to last row and from the column of the fourth in usage. So they're asking to here mid-year of 1993. So you can type the MIT mid 1993 is equal from anyway they're asking to usage data only. US usage data. So they're asking two buckets, two that I'm using the semicolon till I have the end row -1. So this is the way you have to enter the commands in the matrix.